What's up guys, this is Carlos. We're going to be talking about an issue that these cars develop over time. My car has been doing it ever since I bought it, and I've just been neglecting it for a long time. So the issue is the mirrors. See how it just it's really loose in here, it just kind of wobbles, especially when you're going on the highway on the higher speeds. This mirror is just shaking around the whole place and it's just so annoying. So I decided to take care of that. There's quite a few videos out there explaining how to remove the mirror. A really good video from Danny Johnson. I'm just going to quickly touch on how to remove this mirror and then what to do to fix the wobble. And before we get into removing the mirror, here's a little clip of what I'm talking about. So what I'm going to do is actually just move over my mirror so I can have access to from the outside. So moving it all the way to the right. Okay. The use of a pick tool, just like this one. That's what I've been doing to try to remove the mirror. So far I have 3 clips off. It's really hard to see, but I'm going to show you what clips I'm talking about. You just kind of have to slide it in and pry it out real gently. It's hard to kind of focus in on the clips, but the clips I'm talking about are these right here. There's like essentially a few all around the mirror, or the mirror face onto the mirror. Basically just kind of go in, pry it out gently. Use a microfiber towel if needed to not scratch up the paint on your mirror. So here we have the mirror removed off the car. And we're basically going to take this little foam insert that's inside. Okay, there it is. For reference, this is the kit that I purchased to duplicate or recreate this insert from FailPro. I actually bought it on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description. Part number 3060. And it comes with a bunch of sheets of different kinds of material, but we're only going to use one sheet out of this whole pack. But pretty cheap. I think I paid no more than like $6 or $7 for this whole kit. It doesn't hurt to have extra materials for other projects as well, so that's good. So in the kit you get 2 different cork sheets. One is thicker than the other. What I'm going to do is cut 2 out of this one. So using a Sharpie, just going to go ahead and trace around our factory foam piece. Just like so. Now we're going to cut it. I'm just going to be using an X-Acto knife to make it pretty easy. Essentially just go around the entire thing. Like so. Now let's try to put it on the car and see how it works. We got the new insert in the back and just pretty much working our way around, making sure all these clips clip onto the inside part of the mirror right in here. Just do it gently and firmly so it all just clips back in together. There it is. We heard a really nice solid click, and all you can do is just kind of inspect, make sure it's all clipped in from this side, and you're good to go. Just take a look at that. No more shaky mirror. Yes, yes sir. You have no idea how good that feels to see that the mirror isn't shaking. So there you have it. If your mirror is shaking a lot and just driving you nuts like it did me, that's the fix. Pretty straightforward actually, if you ask me. Not too bad. Just take your time, you know, you don't want to break stuff. But yeah, it feels so much better knowing that it doesn't shake anymore. Again, one of those easy things that I could have done a long time ago, but if yours is shaking, just go ahead and fix it, man. I'm gonna drop in the description the part number that I used. You can find it on Amazon or wherever. Feel free to use it and click on that link. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Los Car 50 out.